Empowering healthy habits. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you become the best version of yourself through fitness and wellness. In today's video, we're sharing our top 10 essential tips for effective and injury-free jogging. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned jogger, these tips will help you make the most of your workouts while keeping you safe and healthy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss our latest videos. Let's get started. Tip 1: Warm up and cool down. These two crucial components of any jogging routine help prevent injury, enhance performance, and aid in recovery. A simple warm-up and cool-down routine you can follow includes: warm-up. Start with 5 minutes of brisk walking or slow jogging to increase your heart rate and warm up your muscles. 2. Follow this with dynamic stretches, such as leg swings, arm circles, and hip rotations, to activate your muscles and improve your range of motion. Cool down. Gradually decrease your pace until you're walking at a comfortable pace for 5 minutes. 2. Perform static stretches, holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on your major muscle groups such as quads, hamstrings, calves, and hip flexors. Tip 2: Proper running form. Good form can help prevent injury and increase efficiency. Some key points to remember include: 1. Maintain an upright posture. Keep your head up, chest open, and shoulders relaxed. 2. Swing your arms. Your arms should swing naturally at your sides, with a 90-degree bend at the elbows. 3. Land on the midfoot. Aim to land on the midfoot or ball of your foot, rather than the heel, to reduce impact. 4. Take short, quick strides. This can help improve efficiency and reduce the risk of injury. Tip 3: Choose the right footwear. The right footwear is essential for a comfortable and injury-free jogging experience. Here are some tips for finding the perfect pair. 1. Determine your foot type. Understanding your foot's arch and pronation can help you select the right shoe for your needs. You can visit a specialty running store for a gait analysis or try the wet test at home to determine your foot type. 2. Look for proper cushioning and support. A good pair of jogging shoes should provide ample cushioning and support to reduce the impact on your joints. 3. Consider the surface. Different shoes are designed for various surfaces, such as road, trail, or track. Choose a shoe that's appropriate for where you'll be jogging most often. 4. Prioritize fit and comfort. Make sure your shoes fit well, with about a thumb's width of space between your longest toe and the end of the shoe. Don't forget to wear the socks you plan to use during your workouts when trying on shoes. Tip 4: Listen to your body. While it's important to challenge yourself, it's equally important to recognize when you need to take a break or reduce your intensity. If you experience pain or discomfort, slow down, and rest if needed. Remember, consistency is key to long-term success, so prioritize your well-being to stay injury-free. Tip 5: Gradually increase your mileage. Avoid the temptation to do too much too soon. Instead, follow the 10% rule, which states that you should not increase your weekly mileage by more than 10%. This allows your body to adapt and reduces the risk of overuse injuries. Tip 6: Mix up your workouts. Incorporating different types of workouts, such as interval training, hill sprints, and long, slow-distance runs, can help you improve your overall fitness and prevent boredom. Adding in some cross-training activities, like swimming, cycling, or strength training, can also help you avoid overuse injuries and improve your overall performance. Tip 7: Stay hydrated. Tip number 7 is to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your jog. A good rule of thumb is to drink about 8 ounces of water 20 to 30 minutes before you start, and then another 7 to 10 ounces every 20 to 30 minutes during your jog. After you finish, drink enough water to fully rehydrate. Remember that individual hydration needs may vary, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Tip 8: Fuel your body. Consuming a well-balanced diet that includes carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can provide you with the energy and nutrients you need for effective jogging. Make sure to eat a light meal or snack about 1 to 2 hours before your jog to ensure you have enough energy. After your jog, consume a combination of carbohydrates and protein to replenish your energy stores and aid in muscle recovery. Tip 9. Jog on soft surfaces. Trails, grass, and even packed dirt are gentler on your joints compared to concrete or asphalt. Keep in mind that when jogging on uneven terrain, it's essential to maintain proper form and be aware of your surroundings to avoid potential injuries. Tip 10. Rest and recovery. Giving your body time to recover is crucial for avoiding injuries and improving your performance. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week, and consider incorporating activities like yoga, stretching, or foam rolling to aid in recovery and maintain flexibility. So there you have it, our top 10 essential tips for effective and injury-free jogging. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a healthier, happier, and more active lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with jogging. Share your favorite tips in the comments section below, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, we're all ears. Until next time, happy jogging, and stay fit and healthy.